Hello everyone, I'm your swing instructor Sarah here. Welcome to Saliqa Mag. Subscribe for more tutorials. So in today's lesson we are going to learn how to make this beautiful dress. So let's start. I have these calculations. So let me explain it that how you can take this. So first is the shoulder from back side, then the armhole. Let me show you how you can take armhole. If anything you can't understand, you can watch my video how to take body measurement. So that's how you can take your armhole. Then the waist measurement is something like this, and all these measurement, the total length is whatever you want. So let me start to explain all these calculations. So here shoulder is 4.75. all these calculations are for 7-year-old girl, so you can put all measurement according to your requirement. So let me just draw quickly here, so that what pattern, how we can make a pattern. So I will show you the pattern, but first I'm just roughly draw here so you can understand what we are going to do. So here is actually I'm drawing here 3 frills part, but you can increase it like 4 or 6, whatever you want for your design. So method will be same, and every frill is according to the difference of 5. Like if one frill is 20, the other is 25, then the 30. So let me explain all these things in the pattern making part. So let's start the pattern making. So first we are going to make a body part. So I just spread my sheet. So this is white sheet, you can see here. So first I am going to make a pattern of body part and then the frill part. Okay, so first thing is just draw a straight line, and you can see that this is the total length. So you can minus from that total length the body length. So my total length is actually 30. So you can see I'm just going to mark here a straight line without any measurement, just to make the edges smooth. And from here I'm going to start my pattern. First line is shoulder line, that is here 4.7. so let me mark here. So 4.7 is our shoulder line. You can even make your own size. So if you don't know how to take your own size, I will give the link in the description so you can see how you can take your own size. So this is the armhole, that is 5.5. so this line is armhole line. Now I'm going to mark the chest line. So chest line is here 7. So just mark here the 7. So this is chest line. Now our next line is waistline. So for that, first I have to take the total length, total body length only, not frill included. Only body length is 10.5. so till here. Remember that this is a 7-year-old girl dress, so you can put your measurements in the same method. So here just mark your waistline, that is here 6.5. so now I'm going to join all these lines, and here you see here is a shoulder, armhole, chest and waist. So just let me join all these lines like this, a little bit slant line, and then you see the shoulder is straight line, but our shoulder is actually slant. So for slant line, first mark your neckline. Here I am taking it 2.5 or 2, whatever you want you can take here, and a little bit like 0.75 I am taking it down, and 0.75 is I am taking 0.25 I am taking outside, and just join these lines just to make it a little slant line, because our curve is not straight, so that's why we make this line slant. Now I'm just marking here a straight line on the armhole line, you can see, and here make a curve to make the armhole. You can use this scale for a perfect curve, or you can do it by freehand, it's up to you, but with tools obviously you will get more neat result. Now next we just mark your depth of neckline. It also depend on your choice. Here I'm just marking it like 4, so it's your choice. If you don't want deep, you can reduce it. So just mark a straight line here, and this is actually the helping line, and then make a curve. So now just mark the back neckline also. So this is our body part is almost done. Now the next is frill. So rest part is for frill. So we will divide the frill part in three parts, but you can divide the rest length on by 4 or by 6, how many layers you want to add. So here I divide the rest part in the 3. So I'm just marking here a straight line, and see the rest part, this down part I will mark here at least 5 inches down. So I decided that my one frill is 5 inches, other is 5, and the rest is almost 8 inches. So that's how I divide my total length. So you can divide it according to your choice. So after gathering, it will obviously become less. So here you can take it double, like if your waist is 7, you can take it 14. So but if you want more gathers, you can increase it more, but at least 14 you can take here widthwise. So I'm just marking here a straight line, and then I decided to just cut here, and then we'll show you the frill part separately. So just to separate the body part, and then we start the frill part. So I just mark here a straight line, and I'm going to cut here to separate my frill part, and then I will divide the rest part in the 3 parts. So you can even divide it by 5 or 6, whatever layers you actually want in your dress. So just let me cut this part, and then after that we will divide our frill on 3 parts, and as I told you that you can divide it by 5 or 6. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe Saliqa Mag and hit the like button, so I know that you like this video, and also share it with your friends and family. So see, I just mark here 14 because my I just mark here 15. So because 7 is my waist, so I just double it, almost double it. So because everything is going in the gathering, so you can take it a little bit more or a little bit less. So it depends on your choice, and also the fabric you have. So next line is 20, and the down hem is 25. That's how I divide my this sheet in 3 parts. So let me mark here, so you can see that how these blocks are going to see like this. Just mark here, and this is the first frill. Obviously when you mark on the fabric, your fabric will be double. This is only the pattern part, and that's why it's single. So this is the second block, and now let me mark the third block. This is 20 inches. All these measurements are in inches. So now next is 25. So that's how you divide all these things. If you have enough fabric, you can even increase the width, like instead of 20 you can take it 20, 25 or whatever. So just let me show you how you can cut all these blocks. So just let me remind you that after cutting this pattern is in single, you have to fold your fabric and then place this pattern on your fabric, so you will get the double. See, this is 1/4 part of your frill, so that's why your fabric should be folded, and actually it should be in four folds. 2 4 for fronts and 2 4 for back. Hope you guys understand. If any question, you can ask me in comment. I will reply you in detail. Don't be hesitate. And also you can watch my video how you can make a dress with the lining. So if you are thinking to make this dress with lining, you can watch that video. I will give a link in the description box. And I also have other tutorials how to make the yoke frock and other dresses, and especially I created a list for the beginners, so you can check how to make a pattern and sew dress. All thing is for all that playlist is for the beginners. So see, that's how this is 3 parts. So after getting like this will going to join, and then you will attach it with the body. So let me also cut the body part, and please subscribe channel and hit the like button if you like my pattern making tutorial, and let me know if you want a stitching tutorial on this. I already uploaded a stitching tutorial of sleeveless dress with lining, so you can check that video. And sorry guys, I can't keep my background noise free due to my small kids, so hope you understand, and please do support me and subscribe. So this is how its neckline is, and this is the body part. So after that you just have to gather it. How to gather and how to attach with the body, all these things well explained in a video. I will give the link in the description box. So that's how you can stitch, how you can put the zip on the back side. So all these things are uploaded already, so you can check in the playlist, or I'm also going to give the link in the description. And please subscribe. If any question you can ask me, and see, that's how your end result is. And if you want all these calculations, I can share with you. See, I divided here in 3 layers, but you can divide it by 5 or 6, because the dress I just show you, actually I saw that dress in a mall last weekend, so that is actually in the 5 frills part. So that's how you can cut your 5 frills in the same way, and you can even increase them to make a tower. So it's all the designing part. I just explain all the pattern, basic pattern. Hope you like. So I think it's time to say a goodbye. Just subscribe Saliqa Meg, and bye bye. Thank you.